Hey, Rebecca. Okay. Looking at your written rationale here, just trying to get an idea of. Okay. All right. Excellent. All right. Thank you for including that. Let's go ahead and jump over to the ad. Okay. I think that we're looking. Well, it's a good start. It's a good start, but I agree there are some things that definitely need to be changed. Okay. Let's start with the background image. I think the background image, you're saying perfect family getaway, come and enjoy our fun and beautiful sandy beaches. But the only problem is that this is really, really a stormy sky. And it looks like the water is getting kind of rough over here. So I'm not real sure if this is the most opportune image to use for the background, being that it's not beautiful, sunny, blue skies. Um, Now, a few years ago, I was working for a Mexican resort. And one of the members of the design team, we were going through the image search process, and one of the members of my design team had shown some images, and one of the images had some clouds in the sky, and they just didn't. They were like, "Get that out of here! Do not bring cloudy images here. They don't want it." And I think that that's a valid reason. I bring that example up is because I think it's a valid point. I mean, one of the things that the perfect family getaway is beautiful sunny skies every day, right? So I think that we could reinforce that with an image depicting those sunny skies. Okay, as far as the masked image itself, the masking is gorgeous, really fantastic job. You got that little mask right through the leaves, the holes in it. It's just great masking job right there. My only issue with this is this image looks like it's been distorted. Now, when you place something in Illustrator, remember if you want to resize it, okay, you select it, and then your cursor goes over at the corner of the bounding box, and then you grab the bounding box, hold your mouse down, and drag the corner of the bounding box to resize, right? But you have to hold the shift key down when you're doing that, otherwise you'll get these distortions. I will bet if we went back and took a look at the very original image that you masked the background out from this, I think that the flower would be shaped differently. So I'm almost 100% positive that this has been distorted upon resizing. We don't want that. We want to maintain that. It looks like it's tall and skinny, right? So it definitely looks like there's some distortion there. I would recommend that you address that issue. Okay, so as far as the images go, those are my recommendations. Now, as far as the type goes, what I would do here is I would take this headline and get it in alignment with the body copy right there. So that's in alignment right there. Instead of being out to the left there, get that in alignment. Perfect family getaway. I would say add a subhead too. So headline and Arial bold, subhead Arial bold italic. Choose the verbiage for the subhead. It can just be something perfect family getaway here. The Caribbean's at the Caribbean's finest resort or whatever, but I would recommend adding a subhead in Arial bold italic. And then a body copy. Right here you've got this family packages includes. I would just include this as a paragraph right here. Okay, so you have the first paragraph, the second paragraph, all right? Then we take that margin down, 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 and then that's good. That's all in alignment. That's fantastic. But what I would do is I would take this is your perfect subhead right there. So you take that and move it right up here. Okay, move the body copy down a little bit. Then you can take this contact information here and place it down in the corner. I would use that purple color so that it's legible. Don't use a white stroke on it. And then I would take the logo itself and I would move it over to this corner. It may entail using a different logo, maybe the one with the purple background. But again, in summary, think about changing out the background image to something with beautiful sunny skies. Adjust this image so it's not distorted. Align the headline. Add the subhead up here under the headline. Move the body copy down a little bit. Create a paragraph out of this kind of list here in the second paragraph. Move the contact information to the lower right. Change that to set that in purple. Move the logo to the lower right, and maybe consider using a different logo depending on how visible that is down there. All right, so those are my recommendations. I would like to see those. You should probably make your edits to this ad before you start the banner ad, because the banner ad is, there's got to be a cohesive, consistent relationship. So if you make these changes, then create your banner ad based on the magazine ad, it'll be consistent. But if you start your banner ad before you make these changes, we might have some consistency issues. I think that stands to reason, right? So I hope I'm making sense. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'll be glad to clarify. All right. Okay, great job. Thank you very much.